Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kinsey. I am the founder of Kinsey Green Design, a branding and web design studio. Today I'm going to show you guys how I made this really cute fruit citrus pattern for a client of mine. So let's jump right into it. This is the branding for Citrus Paper Co., one of my lovely clients. And I'm going to be showing you guys how I created one of her citrus patterns. So these are the little elements I had made using her brand colors and some of the things that I had included in her other pieces of branding. To go in depth about how to create these things, you guys can create your own elements, create your own fruit pieces, add colors to them, and then create a pattern. This video is solely just for showing how I created the pattern alone, not the individual elements. But for reference, I did use the pin tool up here, and then on these I had just used like the shape tool and rotated and repeated some lines and then cut everything out and used the shape builder tool over here to actually turn these into individual slices with color. In order to turn this into a pattern, all we're going to do is highlight this area, object, pattern, make. Now you can always play around with the way that this is laid out, as well as play around with this little tile button. That way, if you want things closer or more spread out, you can do that. And you can also align your elements differently. So if we picked brick by row or something like hex by column, everything would line up completely different. So that can come in handy depending on what you want to do with your pattern. I'm just going to change this to grid because that is the same layout I had before. Drag, transform, scale 200. And then one of the cool things I like to do after designing the pattern is paste a background behind it or something of that sort using the brand colors. So there we are. That is our pattern. And of course you can make your own elements and then play around with them until you get it exactly the way you want it to look and scale everything up. That is pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick video. I think that making a great pattern is all about combining the right elements, getting them balanced out correctly, and then of course adding the colors where you see fit. It's also really nice to play around with the background color once you have your pattern created. So if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments section and I'll see you in the next video.